Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Go Kart Reverse Kit is probably one of the most sought-after modifications for go-kart enthusiasts who desire enhanced maneuverability and control, especially in tight spaces or when navigating challenging terrains. This video will dive deep into the functionalities, benefits, and considerations when choosing the right reverse gearbox kit for your go-kart, ensuring you make an informed decision before purchasing. Number 5. Vevor Go Kart Gearbox. This gearbox is built to enhance your go-karting experience. It's designed for easy installation and smooth operation, giving you reliable performance on the track. It's made from durable, lightweight metal for long-lasting use. This ensures precise torque transfer and a long service life, even under demanding conditions. Enjoy effortless shifting between forward, reverse, and neutral. This makes maneuvering your go-kart simple and intuitive. Everything you need is included: gearbox, gear lever, sprockets, and more. Installation is straightforward, saving you time and effort. It's compatible with various go-karts, dune buggies, and UTVs, making it a versatile upgrade. It works perfectly with engines ranging from 2 to 7 horsepower. Upgrade your go-kart with this high-performance gearbox. Get ready for improved control, smoother operation, and a more enjoyable ride. What we like. It boasts superior compatibility with various kart models and engine types. This comprehensive kit includes all the necessary components for a smooth installation. If you value convenience and ease of use, its 3 shift modes make operation simple and efficient. What people say. All necessary parts included, well packaged. Setup is fairly easy and it seemed to be a real solid unit. The gearbox was a perfect fit for our kids' Hammerhead Mudhead 208 or go-kart. So far it works great and arrived 3 to 4 days early. Number 4. maXpeedingrods Go Kart Gearbox Kit. This versatile gearbox kit is perfect for upgrading your go-kart or utility vehicle. It's designed for engines up to 14 HP and offers easy installation. Enjoy smooth transitions between forward and reverse gears. The 3 shift modes, forward, reverse, and neutral, make operation simple and intuitive. It works with 30 series torque converters and number 35 chains, 12T, or number 4041 420 chains, 10T. Both sprockets are included for your convenience. It features a 5/8 shaft with a 3/16 keyway. Built from high-quality metal, it's designed for long-lasting performance and reliability. Everything you need is included: gearbox, mounting plates, shifter, cables, sprockets, and even the necessary oil. Installation is straightforward. The gearbox comes pre-filled with oil. When it needs refilling, use GL 5-gear oil to the halfway point. Contact us if you have any questions. What we like. It's designed for seamless integration with standard components. Its robust construction ensures a long lifespan, even under demanding conditions. If you prioritize reliability and a hassle-free experience, this is the ideal choice. What people say. If you have any familiarity with a welder, it is pretty straightforward to install. Took about 3 to 4 hours with a good deal of that dedicated to explaining what I was doing to a 6-year-old. Works great, exactly what needed. Does work with Coleman KT196 Go-Kart, but you are on your own. Lots of videos and pictures out there. Use spacer from old driven pulley shaft under driver pulley and lines up perfectly. Need longer driven pulley bolt because of spacer. Use M8-1.25 x 50 mm. This is an unsynchronized gear reduction box. Number 3. Vevor Go Kart Gearbox. This gearbox is designed to give your go-kart the power and control you need. It's easy to install and built to last. It boasts a robust design with a 5/8 shaft and 3/16 keyway. Experience smooth shifting and reliable performance. This versatile gearbox fits various karts, dune buggies, and UTVs. It's perfect for engines from 2 to 7 horsepower. Installation is a breeze, making it ideal for DIY enthusiasts. Simply follow the instructions for a quick and easy setup. It's constructed from high-quality metal, ensuring durability and longevity. Enjoy 3 shift modes, forward, reverse, and neutral. This kit comes complete with everything you need for installation, including a gearbox, gear lever, and mounting plates. Get ready to ride. What we like. It offers broad compatibility across different kart models and engine sizes. Its user-friendly design simplifies the installation process. If you appreciate a straightforward setup and high-quality components, this is perfect for you. What people say. It worked well and perfect fit. Verarbeitung gut, nach kein Probelauf gemacht. Number 2. Tuningsworld Go Kart Gearbox Kit. This gearbox is designed for go-karts and utility vehicles with engines up to 11 horsepower. It's a simple yet effective way to add forward and reverse functionality. It offers a 1:1:3 forward ratio and a 1:2:6 reverse ratio, providing versatile speed control. This ensures smooth transitions between forward and reverse. It's designed for easy installation and is compatible with 30 series torque converters. The 5/8-inch shaft with 3/16 keyway ensures a secure fit. The kit includes the gearbox itself, 2 mounting plates, a shifter disc, 2 shifter cables, and both 10T and 12T sprockets. Everything you need for a complete installation is provided. The shifter cable is 1,540 mm long, providing ample reach. The included sprockets offer different gear ratios for optimal performance. It's ready to enhance your driving experience. With this gearbox, you can easily upgrade your go-kart or utility vehicle. Enjoy the convenience of forward and reverse gears. What we like. It's built to seamlessly integrate with standard go-kart setups. The robust materials ensure lasting performance. If you value a simple installation and a long-lasting product, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy to install. Worked like it should. Does the job. Number 1. Go Kart Forward Reverse Gearbox. This innovative gearbox is designed to seamlessly transition between forward and reverse. It's perfect for adding versatility to your go-kart. It's compatible with 3/4 Comet TAV 230-75, 40, and 41 models. Ensure it's the right fit for your kart before purchasing. This gearbox is designed for straightforward installation. You'll be back on the track in no time. Experience smoother transitions and improved control with this upgraded gearbox. It's built to enhance your go-karting experience. It's built to withstand the rigors of off-road adventures. Enjoy long-lasting performance and reliability. This gearbox is available in 12T and 10T options to suit various needs. Choose the one that best fits your kart specifications. Specifically designed for Comet TAV2 models, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. Check your model number to confirm compatibility. What we like. It's specifically designed for compatibility with 3/4 Comet TAV2 torque converters. The kit includes sprocket sized 12T and 10T number 35. If you need a reliable forward and reverse gearbox for your specific setup, this is your solution. What people say. This little thing is great. Once you watch a few videos on YouTube, it's pretty simple. Remember to lower your RPM down to about 600 to 800 or it won't shift. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.